I came to NIAC because I saw an opportunity at work that they were advertising for a internship for their maintenance mechanic. So as I went through that, I inquired at NIAC for their programs, and I found the industrial maintenance mechanic. And so as I was going through the course, I got more into IST. I chose IST because I think it's because of the programming itself too. When our machines works, and now everything moves around the world. Like pretty much everything in the world now is based on technologies. So maybe in the future, there'll be more high-tech. It was hard at first because you don't know anything when you first came in. You're learning all the new things, all the knowledge. I get pressures once in a while, but you have your professors and your classmates, so they're there to help you.